I can press. Wait, wait, wait. I can.
Robotics.
What is robotics? The design, construction, and operation and use of robots. It combines science, engineering, and technology to produce machines known as robots. Robots are mostly used within automated factories. For instance, in 2005, 90% of robots were used in automotive car factories. Other tasks include exploring planet's harshest conditions, assisting law enforcement, streamlining surgical procedures, and undertaking rescue missions. They are also integrated into cars. The evolution of robotics. Robots are now assist humans as first responders, companions, and problem solvers. You may discover them in a variety of locations, including your living room, the ocean table, or even on operating tables during surgical procedures. Robots can now perform critical tasks to a higher level of perfection than humans because of the advancements in artificial intelligence.
Why robots? Well, humans no longer need to perform hazardous occupations since robots can operate in these conditions. They are capable of handling repetitive jobs, dangerous materials, and lifting heavy things. This has helped businesses avoid several mishaps while ago saving them money and time. Every element of work and life at home is impacted by robot technology. Every element. Robots could improve lives and working conditions, increase productivity and safety standards, and offer higher levels of service. Fathers of robotics. Businessman slash engineer Joseph Engelberger was able to develop the Ball's robot invention into an industrial robot in the late 1960s. He founded a firm named Unimation to manufacture and sell robots. Engelberger is referenced as the father of robotics and the businessman in the business because of his efforts and accomplishments. Al Jazari is regarded as another father of modern engineering and is not just regarded as the father of robotics, he has also recorded 50 mechanical inventions, complete with building plans. He cites the crank mechanism, connecting rod, programmed automation, and humanoid among the innovations in his book. I cannot read. Let's go.
Significant changes. In 1804, Joseph Marie Jacquard uses punch cards to automate the looming process in England. 1921 saw the first coined term of robotics, derived from the term robota, the Czech word robota referring to forced labor of serfs. 1949 marked the first independent navigation of machines, which were two turtle-like robots with charging station batteries on their backs, and they could navigate with technology like sensor technology, responsive feedback loops, and logical reasoning. 1959 saw the first robotic arm designed by George Devol and Joseph Engelberger, as said in the previous slides, which were used for stacking hot and die-cut metal parts. 1969, Victor Shenman develops robot arms with joints including electric motors instead of hydraulics. 6 Degrees of Freedom were also included, and the overall complex design of hydraulics were non-existent in these machines. The era of computer-controlled robotics was born off of the integration of robotics into computer programs instead of fixed commands. 1972, artificial intelligence were integrated into robotics. 1978 saw the pick-and-place robot, which was a simpler version of the electric arm motor robots with 6 degrees of freedom. Instead, this robot, developed by Hiroshi Makino, had 4 degrees of motion and was named SCAR. 2002, Roomba was developed by Stanford students, and it has sold 15 million in the coming years. 2003 saw robots revolutionize warehouses with Kiva, which were these rectangular prism type robots that moved shelves on top of their backs. Then 2004 saw Big Dog being developed by Boston Dynamics, which lessened the load on Navy Marines, as it can now carry the cargo that the humans had to carry before. 2005 then saw the self-driving cars passing the first big test, which was the DARPA Grand Challenge. And finally, 2012 saw the development of deep learning, where AI can learn based off of photographic data.
Pop culture. Robots have also been a place in the culture of the world as the concept became more and more well known by the community. Adaptations can range from benevolent beings like R2D2 and C3PO from Star Wars to futuristic antagonists like Portal Galactus.
That's it.